What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to highlight new posts for your WordPress website blog. So imagine that you have a list of posts into your blog, and for new visitors or for returning visitors you would like to highlight new posts to make it easier to see for your visitors that your site got often updated and have new posts that they can read. So highlight like this, or maybe like this with this new icon next to the post. How to do this into your WordPress website for free is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type mark new posts. And this is the guide that we are looking for. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing to worry, just review the left sidebar of menus once again, hover mouse over settings, menu, and now click on mark new posts. This is the plugin setup panel. And right here we have all the options. Let me apply some zoom so we can explore each one. Marker placement, after post title, before post title, before and after post title. It's up to you. I prefer to be before post title. Now marker type, we have picture, flag, orange circle, new text, and new text legacy. Let's choose picture. We can have a post title background color in the case that we want to highlight the post background color, almost like this one right here. Okay, up to you as well. Now consider a post read after it was opened. I prefer this option, okay, but you can choose the best for you. After it was displayed in the list, after any page of the blog was opened. Up to you, okay? A post only stays highlighted for, up to you, for 3 days, for 1 day, for 2 days. Show all existing posts as new to new visitors. Up to you as well, okay? Disable for custom posts. Once again, up to you. Allow outside the post list. What is this? Imagine that you have a list of posts into your sidebar, a list of posts into your footer, a list of posts into some plugin, listed into another page of your site, not only into your blog. If you mark this option, you're gonna have this plugin to work into other options. Use JavaScript to showing markers. Enable this option only if the plugin is explained into your blog's markup, okay? Up to you as well, review this, okay? But after change made, hit the save change. Of course, if you are logged in to your WordPress website, you're never gonna be able to see, okay? Because you have no option to test. You must log out or access your site from another browser where you are logged out. Create a new post from this browser right here where you are logged in, and you're gonna be able to see the options to test and to keep working to edit on the types, okay? Easy, simple, and very effective, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your game, your design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of your dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!